Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, Mastering CVCC Patterns and Complete Sentences. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here are the bases of our lessons. Content standards, performance standards, learning competency, activating prior knowledge. Good morning, class. I'm so happy to see your bright faces today. Are you ready to explore some wonderful stories and new words together? Let's dive into English. Remember our adventure through the Guardians of Wawa Dam? We dove into some awesome activities that brought our learnings to life. What did you learn from our lesson? Can you share something you found interesting? Here are the answers to our questions. We found the following topics interesting. The power of a polite greetings. It was so interesting to see how Bernardo and Maria used their grade 2 manners in a high-stakes situation. Math as a survival skill. I love how we saw that math isn't just for the classroom. The spirit of respect. What I found most interesting was the encounter with the old spirit. It wasn't magic alone that convinced him to preserve the dam. It was seeing Bernardo's empathy for the dry land. Something I found especially interesting, I was really struck by the grass belt Maria wove. The idea of using something as simple as tall grass to calm the wind and protect a massive stone dam is a beautiful image. Lesson purpose intention. Today, you will study words that are just right for your grade. You will identify complete sentences, practice reading words with CVCC patterns, and understand words' meaning. Then, you will focus on improving your handwriting and spelling with these patterns. Finally, you will use local words from stories about our community history. Lesson language practice. Moving on to our activity, let us expand our vocabulary. Here's a fun activity to help you learn these words. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. For column A, we have number 1, dam, number 2, guardians, number 3, mythical, number 4, preserve, and number 5, villagers. Look at their meanings with column B. Here are the following correct answer. Reading the key idea stem. Sentence or non-sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It expresses a full thought, while non-sentence is a group of words that is incomplete. It leaves you waiting for more information. For a sentence to happen, there must be a subject, which is who, plus a verb or action. For example, Maria weaves the grass. Non-sentence. Only a fragment or piece of an idea. For example, the tall green grass. Sentence. Bernardo fixed the dam. We know who did what. For a non-sentence, in the valley. We don't know what happened there. Decide whether the statement is a sentence or a non-sentence. Afterward, we will discuss why each statement is classified as a sentence or a non-sentence. Number 1. Bernardo and Maria always do their best to keep Wawa Dam clean and safe for everyone. Number 2. Around Wawa Dam is a testament to the guardians. Number 3. A sturdy belt from vines to secure the tools needed for repairs. Number 4. A sudden lump into the dam structure. Number 5. Through the trees as Bernardo and Maria worked through the night. Number 6. Against the rushing waters. Number 7. The guardians of Wawa Dam were revered. 8. Through Bernardo and Maria's guidance. 10. To preserve the beauty of Wawa Dam, everyone must take part in its protection. And number 10, tales of the mythical protectors of Wawa Dam inspire generations to come. Here are the following correct answer. Word patterns findings. Here are the unique words found in the story that match our mission. Pattern ST, we have best, fast, forest, mass, past. And Z, land, wind, behind, around, and. It's LT, belt, built, pelt. MP, lump, camp. NT, constant, environment, important, plant, prevent, pollutant. Non-sentence finding. As a detective, you'll notice this group of words are broken because they don't tell a full story on their own. A sturdy belt from vines to secure the tools needed for repairs. Why is just a long name for an object. It doesn't tell us what the belt did. A sudden lump in the dam structure. It is a non-sentence because it tells us what was there, but not what happened to it. Against the rushing water. It is a non-sentence because this is just a direction or location. We don't know who or what was against the water. Through Bernardo and Maria's guidance. It is also a non-sentence because this is how phrase, but it's missing the what happened part. Most of the words ending in NT in the story relate to nature and protection, like environment and pollutant, while the ND words often describe the setting, like land and wind. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. To help you express ideas about one's regional experiences based on the text, The Guardians of Wawa Dam, let me ask you these questions. Have you ever visited a place like Wawa Dam in your region? Describe it. Here are the following answers or the following possible answers. Can you think of a time when you or someone you know acted as a guardian of the environment? What happened? Can you think of a time when you or someone you know helped take care of the environment? What did you or they do to help? Here is the possible answer. What they did to help. Here are also the possible answers. How can you help? What are some environmental issues that your region faces? How do people address them? Here are the possible answers. What are some environmental issues that your region faces and how do people address them? Here is also a possible answer. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Let us talk about CVCC. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant word pattern. Basically, they start with a consonant sound, followed by a vowel sound, and end with two consonant sounds. Making generalization and abstraction. Complete the following statement. I learned the importance of saying blank, identifying blank, words, reading, and writing CVCC words pattern. Blank, 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 and blank. I also learned about the meaning of the vocabulary words such as blank, blank, as well as blank. I realized that saying blank is important because it shows appreciation and fosters positive relationships. Identifying, reading, and writing blank word patterns is important for developing skills, understanding, and using blank words is essential for effective communication, and distinguishing between blank and blank is important for language and communication skills. Evaluating learning. Look at the groups of words below. Write S if it is a complete sentence and NS if it is not or if it is a non-sentence. Number 1. The tall limestone cliffs of Montalban. Number 2. Bernardo lifted the heavy rock. Number 3. Running fast toward the river. And number 4. Maria wove a belt made of vines. And number 5. Deep in the green forest. Unscramble these letters to make a CVCC word from our story. Here are the scrambled letters. Here are the following answer key. Great job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. See you next time.